asked for this MP3 player. I remember everyone wanted these when I was a kid. Everyone. Everybody. Okay. Let's open her up. Woo! Here we go. What else we got in here? All the instructions. Okay. It's MP3 and MP4 player, actually. Okay. Let's read what it says here. Oh, and it comes with headphones, too. Okay, it comes with the headphones, the cable to connect it. And take her out of the packaging. Oh, look how cute. Really nice, guys. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see how we turn it on. I think this button right here might be it. Yep. Boom. Okay. So this is Bluetooth as well. Wow. Okay. Lower power consumption. And you can connect it to headphones, Bluetooth headset, and speakers. Built-in ACD audio chip, layer noise, filter, lyrics display. Oh, that's so cool. So you could do FM radio, Bluetooth, record, ebooks, folders, video, and music. Fast charging, so it will be fully charged in about 2.5 hours. And it will last up to 50 hours. Oh my God, imagine. And 100 gig, it could use up to 128 gigabyte TF card. So let's see. This is the screen. You guys see that there? Cover my face. Okay. Wow, this is really cool, guys. It literally has all the functions. Ebook, music, super easy to control. Music. And you could sort it by songs, genre, everything. And again, it has everything you need right into the box. So love this for us. The fact that it has a 50-hour battery lifespan is insane. FM radio. Please plug in headphones. Oh, wow. Let's see real quick. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it's searching for FM radio. Hold on, searching. Come on. You hear it? This is radio. That's why you hear a little bit of static. But that's really cool, guys. Absolutely love this.